What if the next US recession is already starting, and most people simply don't see it yet? Credit card debt in America is at record highs. Layoffs are increasing in tech, finance, and retail. Interest rates remain elevated, and millions of Americans are struggling just to keep up with rent, groceries, and monthly bills. But here's the interesting part. While most people panic during economic uncertainty, smart investors and financially prepared Americans make strategic moves that actually help them build wealth during difficult times. So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 smart money moves Americans are making right now to survive and even benefit from a possible 2026 recession. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final strategy could protect your finances more than anything else on this list. Let's get started. Money move number 1, build a cash emergency fund. The first thing financially smart people are doing right now is increasing their emergency savings. During a recession, job losses become more common. Companies cut spending, hiring slows down, and unexpected expenses become much harder to handle. Experts usually recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. But in today's economy, many Americans are aiming for even more. Why? Because high-interest debt, rising insurance costs, and inflation can destroy your finances quickly if you lose your income unexpectedly. A high-yield savings account can help your money earn interest while remaining accessible. And no, this is not boring advice. Cash gives you power during a recession. People with cash can avoid bad debt, survive layoffs, and even invest when opportunities appear. Money move number 2, pay off high-interest credit card debt. This is huge. Millions of Americans are paying over 20% interest on credit cards right now. That means banks are making money while consumers fall deeper into debt every month. During economic uncertainty, high-interest debt becomes extremely dangerous. If income drops even slightly, minimum payments become harder to manage. That's why smart Americans are aggressively paying down credit card balances, personal loans, buy now, pay later debt. Some people are also using balance transfer credit cards with 0% APR promotions to reduce interest temporarily. But the key is discipline. A recession is not the time to finance unnecessary purchases. Reducing debt lowers stress, improves cash flow, and protects your financial future. Money move number 3, learning high-income skills. This may be the most important wealth-building strategy of the decade. During uncertain economies, workers with valuable skills remain in demand. That's why more Americans are learning AI tools, cybersecurity, data analysis, sales, digital marketing, healthcare certifications, skilled trades. Companies may slow hiring, but they still pay for people who solve expensive problems. The reality is this: your income is your greatest financial asset. Not your car, not your phone, not even your investment portfolio. Increasing your income potential gives you protection against inflation and economic downturns. And thanks to online learning, many high-paying skills can now be learned without a traditional college degree. Money move number 4, investing during market fear. When markets fall, average people panic. Smart investors pay attention. Historically, some of the best long-term investment opportunities happened during periods of fear and recession. Now, that does not mean blindly throwing money into stocks. But financially educated investors often continue buying quality assets consistently through downturns. Why? Because lower prices can create long-term opportunities. Many Americans are focusing on index funds, dividend stocks, ETFs, retirement accounts like Roth IRAs, long-term investing strategies. The key is thinking long-term instead of emotionally reacting to short-term headlines. Remember, the stock market has historically recovered from recessions over time. Fear creates opportunities for prepared investors. Money move number 5, creating multiple income streams. One income source is becoming risky in today's economy. That's why side hustles are exploding across America. People are earning extra income through freelancing, YouTube, online businesses, print on demand, affiliate marketing, consulting, selling digital products. Even an extra few $100s per month can reduce financial stress dramatically. And for some people, side hustles eventually become full-time businesses. Economic uncertainty often pushes people to become more entrepreneurial. And sometimes, recessions create entirely new millionaires. Money move number 6, cutting silent expenses. Smart Americans are auditing their finances right now. Not because they're cheap. Because unnecessary monthly expenses quietly destroy wealth. People are canceling unused subscriptions, expensive memberships, high-fee banking services, impulse online shopping habits. Small monthly savings compound over time. Saving $300 per month equals $3,600 per year. That money can go toward investments, debt reduction, emergency savings, business opportunities. Financial freedom is often built from disciplined habits, not flashy income. Money move number 7, protecting their credit score. Here's the move many people ignore until it's too late. Your credit score affects loans, mortgages, car financing, insurance rates, apartment approvals, even some job opportunities. During recessions, lenders become stricter. That means strong credit becomes even more valuable. Smart Americans are paying bills on time, lowering credit utilization, avoiding unnecessary hard inquiries, monitoring their credit reports regularly. A strong credit score can save thousands of dollars in interest over your lifetime. And in difficult economic periods, financial flexibility matters more than ever. The truth is, recessions create winners and losers financially. Most people wait until a crisis happens before taking action. But financially smart people prepare early. So if you want to survive and possibly thrive during the next economic slowdown, focus on these 7 money moves starting today. Because financial security is no longer optional in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Smart Money USA for more videos on investing, credit cards, wealth building, side hustles, and smart financial strategies for the modern economy. And comment below, which money move are you focusing on right now? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.